And they said the palace, there are different chalets. Where Kabiyesi enter like this. Now the next day they come out. And if she's seeing all those things, if the mother was not with her in the palace, and the brother wasn't there with her in the palace, and the sister, all of them, she would have grown into it. Yes, she go grow by force into it. It's either you are going to do it, or you, since that's what you chose, a king. And to be sincere, that man loves her. I can't lie. That man loves her. But they were always having issue. And it was basically because of her childishness. And he, of course, he was using kingship to handle things. Could they work? It couldn't work between them because even the mother, she could see, she saw it. She saw it that the love is there. All of them knew that that man really loves Naomi and he still loves her. Can I shock you people? When I saw them at the Ojaja Park, do you know that it was because of Naomi that that man built that monument? Yes. He's not from Akure. There's no reason for him to go and build that monument there. But when they were together, maybe Naomi told him to buy the land and everything. They now built a monument there. Meaning, in history, it will be said that a king or Jaja married from this Akure, and for this reason, built a monument, a park. And that park is named Ojaja Park. It's because of her. It is her influence that that man brought that thing to that place to come and do that kind of big project in that place. If he was no more interested in her, if he did not cherish her, if it did not matter to him, he won't have concluded that project. Take it or you leave it. But he concluded that project. Now look at the way Naomi came to that place. Look at the way she was taken to the king. Naomi, the only thing that you and king can use to convince me that you have not been having, the king have, I can't say, it's not possible for me to say, the king have apologized to you, you have accepted. I can't say that. But you people are already saying, come out and tell us that you and the Kabiyesi have not knocked. That is not the first place. You people are saying. I disagree. If that was the first place you people are saying, your body chemistry would have shown it. The king was too comfortable. In fact, you were too, you were also too majestic. Kabiyesi, you and Queen Naomi, that's why Queen Naomi is still carrying your I believe you are hiding the matter. You people don't know how to tell us. Come out and tell the world the secrets between the two of you. You people have started knocking each other. Yes! Kabiyesi, run on ring lights and tell us that what I used my eyes as an adult, as a Yauba, to see yesterday is not natural. I look at you. I look at that video up to 20 times. And I told Awon Obalale to open my inner eyes to see the feeling between the two of you. And they told me that you people are hiding secret from us. And immediately tin pa ara yin, e tin wonu inside and bara yin susa. Come out and tell all of us that you are Queen Naomi and bara yin sun. Why are you emotionally draining people? People are causing fights here and there. Some people are just fighting. They abuse other people because of Queen Naomi. Meanwhile, Queen Naomi, you have said seeing the king. Yes, you are seeing the king. You people should do ring lights for us and tell me that I am lying. When Queen Naomi went to Kabiyesi, the odd leader, took her. Definitely, she is aware of Ojaja Park. If the relationship was still as sour as what we thought, you know, when the thing was hot, when those people, some people were adding pepper, some people were abusing Queen Naomi, some bad people surrounding the king. You know, king had some terrible people. Thank God the queens that are there now, many of them. I'm coming back to those queens, so I will say my mind and be truthful with you people. Yesterday, God, in the video, some things opened to me. The king and Naomi, Queen Naomi, they are keeping secrets from all of us. They have already started knocking. Yes. When she came to you, sir, Kabiyesi with Tadenikawo, you told her, you were asking her, hey, why didn't you wear white? You were asking her now that she didn't wear white. Why will she wear white? Kabiyesi, come and tell the world. Why were you telling her that she didn't wear white? Why were you telling her that? Because you wanted her to come as a queen. And she still wore the regalia. And she said, we'll say it later. So later. Kabiyesi, so later. I was like, I be my ear didn't hear where. I moved closer. I now saw that if there was what was happening before, you people know that the relationship, sour. Go and listen, be so do. Go and listen. I'm saying, I'm telling you secrets. Go and listen now. You people go and watch the video. When she brought Tadenikawo and they created the king, and you know, Tadenikawo then refused to go. You understand? Let me tell you something. If that was Tadenikawo's first time of seeing the daddy after some time, go and check it. If you know how, you know children, although that Tadenikawo face, you know they take rubbish. Even when you want collect money from the stepmom. Now, if collect am like I'm a prince, just give me this money and let me just go and stand beside my dad. Do you understand? So Tadenikawo, he wasn't smiling too much. He was just keeping a straight face, but he understood what money was. You understand? You can tell from how he was behaving. He's not surprised seeing the dad. He's not surprised seeing the dad at all. He's not surprised seeing the dad. He's... Go and look at that age that boy is in. If he was surprised seeing daddy, he will act in a way that you people will know that he's surprised. He wasn't surprised at all. That's Queen Naomi and King Ojaja. They are back together. That is the secret. The day they should just announce to us if they are shy to tell Yoruba Kingdom people that how will we do it at Sheba. The wives, look at the body chemistry. Mind you, when he was going to that area, he purposely took his wives that are Iyabas, the matured-minded ones. Can you see they exempted the ones that are not really matured? Quote me. The ones that are not really matured, that will be eyeing. The two that went, Dr. Temitope and lawyer, the other one. One is a lawyer, the dark one. The fair one is a doctor. I don't know if it's doctor medical or doctor in PhD. But they are the two that went. He purposely, you know, those ones are Yaba. They are not there to They are there as Iyaba. They are very understanding. They are very, very understanding. Go and check the two people. The Adire woman is a lawyer. She's a lawyer. Don't call her Adire woman. She's a lawyer. Don't call her Adire woman, no. Call her lawyer. She's a lawyer. Go. No, Mariam can't be there. Mariam can't be there. Folashade can't be there. The other one cannot be there too. The Ekiti one, they can't be there. Those ones they are doing Pepe Yoyo. They can't be there. But those two that you people saw, they are Iyabas. And I can tell you with my full chest, go and look at the Kabiyesi, how he was communicating with his eyes to them. Because he was watching them on... Naomi didn't greet them. Naomi wasn't comfortable with them. But Kabiyesi was watching them the way they were handling his son. And they passed. They both acted right. The two of them, they did what Kabiyesi expected them to do. He was watching them with, I'm telling you the truth. Go and watch that video. Look, let me tell you people don't watch video, you don't watch body chemistry. You just watch video, you don't watch body chemistry. Kabiyesi was watching them. Immediately the doctor, when she saw that the kings or the kings around all that side, all of them they started doing, sorry sirs, they said do eye service. They were spraying Tadenikawo. She too held money. Doctor held money. The money she held, she wanted to spray it, but she wasn't too sure of if she does it. They were not too sure of how to act towards Tadenikawo. But Tadenikawo now looked at her and told her, oh yeah, after they've sprayed me, oh yeah, you to spray your own. And she was so happy to. And she was trying to be doing it small. Tadenikawo grab everything. Then Naomi came. Naomi tried to take the son back, but Tadenikawo didn't really want to go. He didn't act heady, but the daddy then stood with the dad. Then the woman, the lawyer, the one you call Adire, that one was not dancing towards Tadenikawo with the doctor. And they were not dancing with Tadenikawo. King was looking at them. He had his reason. He was looking at them. Naomi didn't greet them because she's their oga. She's their oga, as in what? Senior. She's their senior. Now, can I say what I want to now conclude on? Queen Naomi, just an advice for you. I don't see you marrying somebody else. I have a feeling I don't want you to waste your time secretly seeing the king. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your beauty. If you wanted to go with somebody else, you would have gone. But sincerely, there's love between you and that man. And I can say it anywhere. That man appreciates you. Just that simple thing he displayed, it shows that the king too is still king, is still ready. I don't know how your family will take it. And I don't support that you are seeing the king secretly. You people should burst the bubble. They will only talk. All of us will just, hey, upon how they abuse each other, oh, hey. The Papa didn't abuse, oh, but it's some women that were with him in the palace. I don't know the people, not the queen, so some nonsense people were abusing the. But I must say my truth, sir. Queen Naomi fits that place. I don't know how, if she's more matured now. I know she's grown more than what she was before. I don't know how it's going to happen, but you can't continue to marry or still be with her and she will be in her father's house. You people should have a rethink. You people should have a rethink. Being in her father's house and you people are seeing each other, I don't think it's worth it.